Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decor PK. I show you have in this video most beautiful and modern small kitchen wall color and designs and greatly impact the ambience and style your cooking space. Here is some popular kitchen wall color scheme and designs ideas. Warm naturals to begin to cream and gray and light sea green and bold to bright and red orange yellows and the soft pastel to pink blue mint and the earthy tones to green brown and the terracotta and the monochromatic and the single color to with the varying shades. Some popular kitchen wall color combinations to include white and gray and navy blue and white and green to yellow and earthy brown to beige, bold red and black. Remembers to consider this video to like natural and combinants to the colors to kitchen wall color and design to next more ideas inspirations to just video in this video. So I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. Basically, my purity of the unique designs and unique videos for your choices to kitchen wall colors to a greatly impacted. If are you looking here most beautiful and unique color design for wall in kitchen interior decoration improve for your choices to an aggressive attractive and most beautiful look in your kitchen walls and interior look in improve. uh, don't forget this like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. Thanks for watching.